escape, yep. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a little test, make sure I'm right into the wind. Okay. Turning right. That was a torque turn there. Very sensitive on elevator. I've got a couple of run on this. It just doesn't want to turn right. Great big bootfuls of rudder to turn right. So I'll mix that in if I get it down in one piece. Turns left easily. That's 11 by 5 prop. It's got quite a short wingspan, so I guess it's struggling. There's full right aileron there and it's turning left. So use some rudder there, it will turn. I can't figure out whether this CG's off or not because it's really sensitive on the elevator. Very not right. I shall continue flying to explore what I can do. So I need to put down thrust on the motor and I need to put some side thrust for sure. Nuts. That's going to stall again. definitely got enough power now, but look at it trying to dive. You take the, oh man, it's just so weird. Diving again. Wow.
Timer 1 elapsed.
I'm gonna get a low pass, okay, if I can. I can't. Right, I'm going to set up for landing. I'm going to go and stand over the other side. Oh my god, it's horrible. It is absolutely horrible. It was horrible. Did you? Brilliant. No.
That was horrible, was it?
Oh, it was hideous.
Okay, why? So, hang on.
It was absolutely hideous.
Here you go.
And let me just unplug this
Yeah.
battery. Hang on. Ah, I'm shaking like a leaf.
Not bloody surprising. Me too, because I wasn't. I mean, I was filming it.
Yeah.
The landing wasn't great on the film. Okay, I'm sorry.
That's
Everything
all right.
else is fantastic.
That's all right. I should have the landing on my GoPro anyway. It was horrendous.
Can roll yourself a cigarette,
Yeah.
even though I'm not encouraging you. Hey, look.
My adrenaline is coursing.
No shit, even mine was.
Ah, man,
Hey, it's very impressive you get that thing down, because
that was bad. Right, it wouldn't turn right. I had to use rudder, and when I did use rudder, it started stalling. Don't know what throttle setting it was at. Then it started pitching its nose up, and then as soon as I get straight again, it starts diving. So I'm trying to pull just gently because it's so sensitive on the elevator. So I've got it pitched up again and flying around again. And I'm trying to turn. The whole thing is just going. It's just like a bag of shit. It's just. It's unbelievable. Jesus, did I record that? I did.